Hi, hello, this is Giri. Teaching 10th Mathematics. The chapter is a pair of linear equations in two variables. And in this video, we will learn the solutions of exercise 4.2 and this is part 1 video. Dear students, let us learn the solutions of question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 4.2. Here is the question. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly incomes. I shall repeat. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly incomes. Here, what to find? We have to find the income of the first person. Here we have two persons. Therefore, we have to find the income of the first person and also we have to find the income of the second person. Here what are given? We are given the ratios of incomes 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3 and the saving, the amount of saving is 2000 rupees. The first person saves 2000 rupees per month and the second person also saves the same amount 2000 rupees per month. Now what is the relation between income, expenditure and saving? Yes, good. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Otherwise, income minus saving is equal to expenditure. That is the relationship between the three: income, expenditure and saving. Now let us use the relationship and let us frame a pair of linear equations so that we shall solve them to get the values. Okay. Here is the solution. Let us assume that the income of the first person is equal to 9 times of some constant x and similarly income of the second person is 7 times of x. Okay. Since the ratio is 9:7, therefore the income of the first person is 9x and income of the second person is 7x. Similarly, it is also given the expenditures ratio. It is given that the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. Therefore, let us assume that the expenditure of the first person is 4y and the expenditure of the second person is 3y. Here, we assumed the constant of proportionality in income as x, so that the income of the first person is 9x and the income of the second person is 7x. Similarly, we assume the constant of proportionality in expenditure as y, so that the expenditure of the first person is 4y and the expenditure of the second person is 3y. Okay. Now you see, we know that the saving is equal to income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure. Expenditure spelling D-I-T-U-R-E. Please correct. Income minus expenditure is equal to saving. Here look at the first person. Saving of the first person is equal to 2000 rupees. How to get saving? Saving is nothing but income minus expenditure. What is the income of the first person? 9x. And what is the expenditure of the first person? 4y. Now if you subtract 4y from 9x, that is 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. It is the first equation. Is it clear? We know that income minus expenditure is equal to saving. Here for the first person the income is 9x and the expenditure is 4y. Therefore, if we subtract expenditure from income, that is 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 rupees. This is the first linear equation in two variables x and y. Similarly, let us frame the second equation. Now come to savings of second person. Look at the income of the second person. Income of the second person is 7x and the expenditure of the second person is 3y. Now if you subtract expenditure from income, you will get saving. That is 7x minus 3y is again 2000 rupees. You see, you can observe in the question that both the persons have the same saving 2000 rupees per month. Therefore, 7x minus 3y is also 2000 rupees. Now if you observe both these equations, look at the x coefficients. X coefficients 9 and 7 are different and y coefficients is also different. 4 and 3 y coefficients are also different. Now in order to solve these equations, let us multiply the first equation with second equation x coefficient, that is with 7. Okay. Now if you multiply all the terms of the first equation with 7, what happens? 7 into 9. What are 7 nines? Yes, 7 nines are 63x minus 7 fours are 28y is equal to 7 twos are 14,000. This is the first equation. Now observe the second equation. Now let us multiply the second equation with the first equation x quotient, that is with 9. So that 9 into 7x, 9 sevens 63x minus 9 into 3y, 9 3 is 27y is equal to 9 into 2000 is 18,000. Now let us subtract the first from second. If you subtract, the signs may change, so that plus 63x minus 63x may be cancelled, and this is minus 28y plus 27y is minus y, and plus 14,000 minus 18,000 is minus 4,000. Minus y is equal to minus 4,000 and y is equal to 4,000. Now let us substitute y value either in first equation or in second equation. By substituting y is equal to 4,000 in equation 1, 9x minus 4y means 4 into y means 4 16,000 is equal to 2,000, or 9x is equal to 2,000 minus 16 other side plus 16, 2,000 plus 16,000 is 18,000, and x is equal to 18,000 by 9 is 2,000 rupees. Finally, we get x is equal to 2,000 and y is equal to 4,000. What we need? We have to find, you see, look at the question, we have to find the monthly incomes. That is, we have to find the income of the first person and the income of the second person. If you observe, the income of the first person is 9x. Therefore, monthly income of the first person is equal to 9x. 9 into 2000 is 18,000. And the income of the second person is 7x. That is 7 into 2000 is 14,000 rupees. Is it clear, students? Very good. Now you may see question number 2 now. This is question number 2. The sum of 2-digit number and the number obtaining by reversing the digits is 66. And if the digits differ by 2, find the number. And how many such numbers are there? I shall repeat the question. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtaining by reversing the digits is 66. And if the digits differ by 2, find the number and how many such numbers are there. Look at the solution here. Here we need a 2-digit number. 2-digit number means there should be an unit digit and there should be a tens place. And let us assume that the digit in units place is x and let the digit in the tens place is y. Units digit is x and tens place is y, so that the number is yx. Tens place is y and units place is x. For example, if the given number is 21, you may write the digits 2 and 1. Since 2 is in tens place, you can write it as 20 plus 1. Therefore, value of the number is 21. Okay. Similarly, if you consider a number 37, 3 in tens place and 7 in units place. Since 3 is in tens place, you should multiply 3 with 10 so that it will be 30. And units place is 7. If we add 7 so that it will become 37. Similarly, here also, if the number is yx, here y is in tens place and x is in units place. In order to get its value, you have to multiply y with 10, 10y plus x. Therefore, value of this number is 10y plus x. Similarly, let us reverse the digits. If you reverse the digits, then the number by reversing the digits will be, previously it is yx, now it will be xy. Now in tens place we have x and in units place y. Therefore, the value of the number is 10 times of x, that is 10x plus y is the second number. The value of the first number taken is 10y plus x, and the value of the second number by reversing the first number is 10x plus y. Now if you observe the question, it is given that the sum of the number and the number obtaining by reversing the digits is 66. That is, we have to add both these numbers. Sum of a number and the number by reversing the digits is equal to 66. It means let us add these two numbers. First number is 10y plus x and the second number is 10x plus y. If we add both the numbers, it should be 66. What is x plus 10x? X plus 10x is 11x. Similarly, 10y plus y is 11y is equal to 66. As it is observed that the total equation is divisible by 11, that is all the terms in the equation may be divisible by 11. Therefore, let us simplify this. 11 in 11 one time, therefore 1 into x is x. Again 11 in 11 one time, 1 into y is y, and 66 by 11 is 6. Therefore, the first linear equation is x plus y is equal to 6. And in order to get the second linear equation, it is given that the digits differ by 2. That is, the difference of both the digits is equal to 2. Here we took the first digit or units place is x and the second place value is y. Therefore, the difference of the digits is x minus y is equal to, the difference is 2. The digits may differ by 2, that is x minus y is equal to 2, and it is the second linear equation. And now, in order to solve these two equations, let us write the first equation x plus y is equal to 6, and let us write the second equation x minus y is equal to 2. Now, if you observe, both x coefficients are same and y coefficients are also same. This is plus 1 and this is minus 1. Therefore, let us add both the equations. If we add means x plus x to x and plus y and minus y will be cancelled, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to, take this to other side, 8 divided by 2. Dear students, what is 8 divided by 2? 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Please correct this, it is 9 now. You may please change this as 8. 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Now, by substituting x is equal to 4 in equation 1, if we substitute x is equal to 4 in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 6. You see, x plus y is equal to 6. And substitute x is equal to 4. 4 plus y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 plus 4 other side minus 4 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, finally we get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. But we need the number. Therefore, the required number is 24. Or you can change the digits also so that you will get 42. Therefore, how many such numbers are there? We got two numbers. One is 24 and the second is 42. Therefore, there are two such numbers. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.